Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how do I cancel my Shopify account. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. To cancel your Shopify account, first of all log in into your Shopify account and then click on settings and select plan, and here you will find this option deactivate, so click on deactivate. And before you go, review these steps to take before closing your store. You can read this article and now select the reason why you are closing your store or your Shopify account, and then click on continue, and now enter your Shopify account password and then click on deactivate now. So this was how we can delete our Shopify account. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.